What started off as a soft field proficiency flight turned into a fun day of landing in the grass.
Oh, nice.
I don't think we need to practice after that. I think we're good.
That's a beauty.
Trim is set for takeoff. Thank you. Seatbelts are on. Doors and windows are coming latched. Flaps. There's 10. There's 25.
After my last flight struggles with flying from the right seat, I wanted to fly something I was a little more comfortable with to regain my confidence. Still wanting to challenge myself, John and I set out for Palmyra Airport to do some soft field takeoff and landing practice.
Jackie 15601, Rockstar, runway 10, clear for takeoff, right turn out on course.
Clear for takeoff. Right turn on course 10. Cherokee 15601. Okay, flaps, tanks, fuel pump on, landing lights on, anti-collisions on. Mixtures rich, prop full forward. Finals clear.
Go get some pie.
ICO 10. Keep it rolling. Ready?
Oh,
Alright, takeoff power is set and achieved. Gauges are green. Airspeed's alive and climbing. EGTs are good. Fuel flow is good. Starting to get light. Accelerating ground effect. Watch the bird. Okay, we'll go flaps 10. And flaps coming out.
Soft field landings are a required skill to become a private pilot, but they are usually simulated on a paved runway. I hadn't landed on a grass runway until almost a year after becoming a pilot, and in talking to some of my friends, I learned that they had similar experiences with their training. So, with only a few grass landings under my belt, and none in the 235, Palmyra made for the perfect destination to practice soft field operations. Only about a 10-minute flight away, it's often regarded as one of the better grass strips in the area, and is walking distance from breakfast at the Edge of Town Cafe.
Palmyra traffic, Cherokee 15601. 10 to the east, we'll be entering a left downwind, runway 9, Palmyra. That white row there, that's the hangars.
yeah, I'd say. Especially, it's always notable that you got that chicken farm just to the west of the airport.
Okay.
All those big white buildings.
Field elevation is 851, so we'll fly 1900 in the pattern. Alright, last gump check. Right main, we have sufficient fuel. Undercarriage down, welded. We're not going to need brakes, but we got brake pressure. Mixture's rich, prop is full forward. Fuel pump is on, landing lights are on. Seat belts and switches. I haven't seen anybody around. My plan is just to do full stop taxi backs the whole way.
You know, it's interesting. I was here with a student and we did, I think there were 4 aircraft like bussing around. There's like an ultralight departing, there's a Lusco doing a few landings, there's a Tri-Pacer in the pattern with us.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's busy, it's kind of fun.
Palmyra traffic, Cherokee 15601, turning left base runway 9, full stop, Palmyra. Palmyra traffic, Cherokee 15601, turning final, runway 9, full stop, Palmyra. So we're lined up with the runway and not the buildings.
Maybe you should see if we can land on the taxiway. That'd be really sketchy though, because there are some of those like wooden beams that come out close
Right.
to it. I bet someone's done it though.
With like a light sport or something.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
I don't think we need to practice after that. I think we're good.
That is a beauty. Man.
We're not slowing down how I would like, but...
I usually roll past this threshold.
And then just pull it off to the right. Alright.
Yeah, there's that pavement that comes out anyway.
I don't think I can do any better than that.
No, that is sweet.
Alright, where do we park? Let's go eat.
Yeah, we go down a few rows of hangers into the grass. Into the edge of town cafe.
Oh? What? I've only been here once, and it was when we came here with Ford Echo Echo.
Yeah, so we go right here. And we're gonna go down the hanger rows a little ways.
Alright. Palmyra, traffic Cherokee 15601, clear the runway at Palmyra.
We walked to the edge of town cafe for some delicious breakfast, then headed back to the plane for a few laps in the pattern.
Palmyra too, I'll even go a little bit past the threshold to turn
Oh,
around,
sure.
get that full length.
Alright, flaps 25, right main is sufficient fuel. Landing light, all of our other lights are on, fuel pump is on, mixer's rich, prop is full forward, your doors come unlatched, my window's closed. Palmyra, traffic Cherokee 15601, taking off runway 9, remaining in the pattern, Palmyra. There you go.
Good to go.
Alright. Takeoff power set, achieved, EGT's rising, gauges is green, nose is getting light, airspeed's climbing, accelerating ground effect. Okay, we're clear of the trees. Wait for traffic, back 0670, final for runway 1 foot. Squared.
Math air traffic, this is green and white Cessna, overflying the field at 3,000, circling to land. Right now, a little high, I think runway 18, math air.
That feels like 25, let's go.
Do it.
After we each did a few laps, we headed to Whitewater, which is another grass strip just a few miles to the west. This was a spur-of-the-moment detour to an airport with a shorter runway and potential obstacles along the way. Because I hadn't briefed this airport, I made the decision just to do a low approach, instead of attempting to land.
Yeah, I'll just have to do a low approach, see what it feels like.
Yeah.
I feel like 2,500 foot grass in this thing's getting a little
Getting close for this plane.
short.
Whitewater, traffic Cherokee 15601, turning left base, runway 36, low approach Whitewater. Final's clear.
Wow. That is quite the house.
Which one?
The corner.
Oh, geez, yeah. Just in front of the leading edge there.
Yeah.
Watch our airspeed. Whitewater, traffic Cherokee 15601, turning final 36, low approach Whitewater. We'll just stay 20 degrees.
That's the thing too, right? If you stayed at 20 and brought it in right at like 8,
Or 20,
touchdown and
25 rather.
and immediately go full power, more of a go around.
Fuel pumps on, mixtures rich, prop full forward. Yeah, you almost got to stay high and then just chop and drop. Get a nice little slip in there. Man, it's doable.
Oh, I think we can do a touch and go here easy. I think if you stay at 20 and do a touch and go so you get a power in right away,
Where are the trees? Maybe.
I mean, just make it another low approach.
No, I'm happy with it. Let's go home. Okay. I don't want you to be late for work either.
Definitely with echo. I've had echo in there.
Oh yeah, 100%.
That thing, you just fly that approach in at like 55 knots. Just
Alright, we're gonna switch.
15601, runway 10, clear to land.
Clear to land 10, Cherokee 15601. Okay, clear to land, fuel pump is on. I've got the traffic on base in sight.
Cherokee 601, use caution for mowers, approach and left side of runway.
601, thanks. Okay, gas sufficient fuel, undercarriage downloaded, mixtures rich, prop is full forward, fuel pump on, we're cleared to land, landing lights on, seat belts and switches.
100.
500 checks.
Is that mower just to the left side? He is tight on that runway.
I don't even see him.
He's just past the top.
Oh yeah, I do know.
Well, try not to kill Derek.
Yeah. I like him, he's a nice guy. Full flaps.
Ever get those flaps when you go full up, fall back in it?
I have had that before, yeah.
Always fun.
Alright, we're gonna try and touch down at the 500 footers.
After spending a day of landing in the grass, it was a little bittersweet coming home to a paved runway. It's really all I had ever known, but after this flight, my confidence in real-world soft field operations had grown, and I realized that landing in the grass is a lot of fun.
It'll be a little past.
Nail the 700 footers?
Yeah. Within 200 feet. I was power off when I touched down. 601, we got Alpha 2.
Cherokee 601, roger, and contact ground point 6.
Ground point 6, good day, 601. Waukesha ground, good afternoon, Cherokee 15601, clearing 10 at Alpha 2, southeast hangars.
Cherokee 15601, Waukesha ground, turn left on Alpha, cross 18, and then right turn on Charlie Park.
Left at Alpha, cross 18, Charlie Park, Cherokee 601.
This flight pushed me to hone in a skill I hadn't previously been confident in, and it led me to new challenges. The following week, I flew in 5 different kinds of airplanes, including my first time in a Cirrus and my first time flying a retractable gear airplane. Then, I flew one of my favorite missions, flying rescue dogs for Pilots and Paws. Those videos are coming soon, but until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Badger Pilot.
As the wings will clear over the top of the cones there, as long as you can make this corner. You're good.
No, because I don't want to come at him with the prop. We're going to shut down here and tow it.
One, two, three, four, and 5.